Hey guys, Drew here from Colton RV Marine, and today we're checking out this super cool custom camper from Dune Sport. This is the Man Cave. All right guys, now that we're on the outside, I'm gonna be walking you guys around this. Starting here at the back, you got your back entry door with your 3 steps. The back, you have this super large loading ramp, and you can kind of get a sneak peek inside of how much room there is that you can store side-by-sides, ATVs, dirt bikes. Coming back towards the back here, this is gonna have a whole fuel tank to it. So there's a whole fuel system on board. That's gonna be tucked away right here. Then your shutoffs are gonna be right next to it with a nice little gauge. This Dune Sport's also gonna come with electronic leveling system. So if we pop this open right here, you can kind of see the controls for it. If we hit extend, you can start to see them come down there. Moving past the gas pump, you have your fill station for the gas pump. This is a tri-axle toy hauler. This is a bumper pull, it's not a fifth wheel, so to see tri-axle is really amazing. So coming back this way, you have your hot water tank, you have your city water connection, your fresh water connection, and your outdoor shower. Down here you're gonna see your dump valves, pretty standard. The other control for the front levelers, and then this exhaust right here is gonna be for this huge 5,500 watt Onan Cummins generator. This is going to run your ACs in there, all your lights, and a bunch of goodies that are on the inside that I'm excited to show you. Up here to the front, this does have dual batteries with a battery disconnect on the front and 2 30-pound propane tanks. Also going to have your power tongue jack. Know it, love it, up and down, don't have to deal with the crank. And then a nice storage bay up front too. You got to hide that gear somewhere. Now, if you step with me this way, you'll see this has a wheelchair lift. So there's this massive front door here with a wheelchair lift that's fully accessible from the outside. Your controls are going to be right up here, along with controls on the inside. And I'll show you how that goes up once we get inside. We can't mention the outside without this massive porch. This is a side porch, fully fenced in, sliding glass door right underneath the awning. All right, guys, let's check out the inside. So as you guys can see, stepping inside here, this huge garage length. This is a massive garage back here. You also have a couple of sofas over here that do fold down into beds, and super easily, if we take this table off here, you can see that once you get this into its flat position, you can fold it right up against the wall. Add more space for your motorcycles, your ATVs, all the gets and gadgets you want to bring. Tons of cupboard storage space all up top here. Room for motorcycle helmets, dirt bike helmets, extra clothes, just tons of storage. If you look up top, you're going to see one of the AC units. This is an Atwood AC unit. Super nice, keeps it super cold in here. You're not going to have any issues with temperature in this. Now for some of the more fancy features in here. You're going to have an all-in-one washer dryer. This thing is awesome, especially long day at the dirt track. You're going to need to wash those clothes somehow. Got washed clothes. There's massive wardrobe here, even more storage. Then if we look above me here, you're going to see this TV. This TV drops down, so in the middle of the night, you're hanging out here with your motorcycle, you can watch motorcycle stuff on the TV. Pretty standard kitchen. 3-burner range with an oven. Microwave. More storage. Dual sink. Controls for your heated pads. So these tanks are going to have a heated pad that goes around them. That's a 12-volt pad. Make sure those tanks stay heated through the colder months. Down here you're also going to see the radio. This has got indoor and outdoor speakers. You also get your standard gas electric fridge. Now I'm going to show you guys this wheelchair lift because this thing's super cool. So all your controls are right here on the outside. There's a little remote that comes off so you can access on the outside. And then it's super easy to operate. If we just have it in its down position like this, we're going to hit up. Now that it's up, we can hit this fold button here. And just like that, you're set to close the door. Your wheelchair accessible person's gonna be in here having a nice day with you. Let's check out the bedroom. So walking through this door here, it's a mix between a bedroom and a bathroom. This is a custom trailer, so it does have this massive shower. Now I'm 6'1", I'm a skinny guy, but I have tons of room in here. I can put my hands on both walls, I can't even touch the ceiling. Shower head that actually I can use, it's not gonna hit me in the chest. Over on this side, you have your real porcelain toilet, solid toilet. You're not gonna crush it when you're sitting down on it. Sink, vanity, and then your bed's over here. This bed's also got a wardrobe and another one of those Atwood AC units. Hey guys, thanks for checking out the Dune Sport Man Cave with me. If you have any questions or want to reach out to me directly, call me at 716-694-0188, extension 469. Thanks for checking it out with me, guys.